Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making super creamy mashed potato. Come cook with me. First thing you want to do is peel your potato and remove any knot if there's any. Then you're going to rinse your potato with cold water to remove the starch. Then you're going to transfer your potato to your pot. Add some water and transfer that to the stove. Add some salt and cover it up to cook. After 30 minutes, my potato was done and I could stick my fork right through it. Every potato have different cooking time because some is bigger than some. Then you're going to drain the water from your potato. Transfer potato to your mixing bowl. Then I'm just going to use my little whipping tool to mash my potato. Now I'm going to whip it with my mixer to get it all creamy. Now I'm going to add some milk. Not going to pour it in all at once. Then some butter. I melt my butter, but you don't have to melt it. Add some more milk. And mix and mix and stir and stir. Using my spoon to get it all in there. Then I'm going to add my favorite salt, my pink salt. And mix and mix and stir and stir. Add some more milk. And mix and mix and stir some more. And I want to say thank you to all my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for supporting and subscribing and watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any video, guys. Yep, all done. Now it's time to plate it. I'm going to put that on my plate. And then to make it more juicy, I am going to add a spoon or two of melted butter. And then make a little topping with some basil, because I just love me some basil. And there you have it. Like, comment, and subscribe.